Right, in this tutorial, I'm going to remind you how to multiply decimals, which are under the rational numbers category, meaning that some can be positive and some can be negative. Okay, there are some steps that we like to follow. You need to first remember to follow the integer rules for multiplying. Okay, remember Dorito guy or whatever you guys want to call it. Number 2, do not line up the decimals. When you multiply them, you don't have to line them up. You don't have to line up place value. Okay. While you are multiplying, you need to ignore the decimal point. Don't worry about it till the end. Multiply like normal. Place the decimal in the product, which is your answer. Okay. So here we go. Here's our first one. Negative 0.4 times 1.25. Now, to set this up, I always take the longer number and put it on top. So we're going to have 1.25, and we're going to say times 0.4. Now, right now, I'm ignoring that they're positive or negative. I still have to multiply them, and we will figure out the sign at the end. So just multiply like normal. There goes 20, 8, 10, 4, 5. Put a 0. And then all these will be zeros. 1, 2, 3. Add it up. 0, 0, 5. Then, to place your decimal correctly, you must count how many decimals, or how many places, are behind the decimals up here. You have 1, 2, 3. That means I have to go over 1, 2, 3, put my decimal. When I write it as an answer and I don't have a number in front of that decimal point, put a 0. I can drop those other zeros. Okay. Now, a negative times a positive gives me a negative answer. So there's my solution. All right, moving on to the next one. We have a negative 6.38 times a negative 2.4. All right, this number is longer, so I'm going to place it on top. So 6.38 times 2.4. Notice I'm not lining up the decimals, okay? So start multiplying. 32, 12, 13, 14, 15, 24, 25. Okay, add a 0 for place value. You get 16, 6, 7, and then you get 12. Now I'm going to add those up. So I get 2, 11, 12, 13, 4, 5, 1. Now, again, go see how many numbers are behind the decimal in your problem. 1, 2, 3. Again, 3. So go over 3. 1, 2, 3. Place your decimal point. So I end up with 15.312. A negative times a negative gives me a positive. So there's my solution. Okay, one last one. So we have 12.38 times negative 7.6. 12.38 is the longer number, so I'm going to put it on top. Times 7.6. Again, not lining up the decimals. Okay, multiply like normal. Get 48, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 14, 7. Place a 0. Done with those. I get 56. 21 plus 5 is 26. It's kind of crowded. 14, 15, 16, 7, 8. Add them up. 8, 8, 10, 14, 9. And again, we get 3. They're not always 3, I promise. It's 3 numbers behind. So 3 numbers behind. Place your decimal. You get 94.088. And integer rules, positive times a negative gives me a negative. Okay, hope this helps.